Okay, my wonderful people, this is a very sad update about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's appearance at the Zoo High Court today. It is a thing of cry. Rather, let me put it this way, it is a thing of sorrow. Now they have decided to try Nnamdi Kanu indoors. What is really happening? Anyway, I would not like to take much of your time. I would like you to watch this video. Just watch it. As you are watching, please drop your opinion at the comment section. I would like to hear from you. The question there now is, what is really happening? With over 6 senior advocates of Nigeria, SANS, even with a retired or rather a formal AGF, Attorney General of the Federation, and their in their midst, in the name of Kanu Agabi SAN. It is becoming more interesting. So all these our speculations all this while, not true. It is true. They really want to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prove a point, even when they don't have any point. But let us just keep watch. Tomorrow is the last day of this so-called shenanigans, because I call it a shenanigans. It's not a trial. Nnamdi Kanu does not supposed to stand any trial in any court in Nigeria. As a matter of fact, the Nigerian government is supposed to be the one to stand trial, spearheaded by Nnamdi Kanu, not the other way around. But let us just keep our arms crossed. Watch, share, like, comment, and keep subscribing for more interesting videos coming your way. I, Okulora, will always be here to serve you. Oya. Regade.
Your location. Una forgotten car today's hearing Siwega, and not much that is on the media. Yes, and not much updates that is on the media. First of all, is due to the ban. MNK ban now he use the phone and some gadgets in the court. So that is why now for a lot of people talking about the updates and analyzing it. Even the shocking part of it is that a lot of Ejimaka Biafrans that are even looking up to drop full update of MNK today. A lot of Ejimaka drop or any much thing. I will post you guys if a lot of Ejimaka post to couldn't wait for before and drop zero no the reactions of Biafrans. You understand? Because all Biafrans after this court outcome, I won't lie to you people, they expected a lot of Ejimaka have breakdown of MNK today. But if a lot of Ejimaka post was not giving them enough content to get details of MNK. So, but before I post you guys, if I allow Ejimaka drop, first of all, I know this one from Biafran Twitter. This is a channel on Twitter called Biafran Twitter. So, I got to know if I have posted concerning this update, because actually, despite now banning some gadgets, man, they were able to squeeze out information from MNK today. So, and this was what they wrote. Now on the screen again now. They said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case adjourned to 22 May 2025 as previously scheduled for continuation of trial. If you mean last week, no, 21st and 22nd, Kage made the court hearing. So, and tomorrow Kage continue. So, and they went further to say, despite the ban on media reports, before, due to the ban of phones and gadget usage, few reports squeezed out from the courtroom. So, abandoned the use of gadgets and phone, anything that would transfer if any man court out to the public, abandoned. But they were able to squeeze out some information, and then the information they were able to gather. So listen, they said defendants counsel Agabi San has tendered all favorable judgments of IPOB since 2015 to the court as evidence to rely on, and in turn counter that of the prosecution. Get your my here now. Defendants Agabi, will you say? Are you aware the Director General of DSS ordered Nigerian citizens to defend themselves from any form of attack? Then the second person in mask happened to testify said, I am not aware. So some say 5 updates in that drop, and other answers today, I am not aware. I don't know, my lord. I am not aware. I don't know, my lord. And we recovery at the MNK court today. Mary Aloy Ejimaka drop much updates. So now let's go fast to Ife barrister Aloy Ejimaka post that really got Biafrans very upset. In our screen again, if I will Twitter Aloy Ejimaka immediately after the court hearing today. In our phone 27 minutes ago, and the update said cross-examination of prosecution witness FRN versus MNK. That is Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which commenced today, shall continue tomorrow, 22nd May. Or we'll try if I lodge my court tweeted. Then it is in a comment section. It's because Biafrans are the action and keep as well. Biafrans and MNK because they didn't get much information they needed after the court hearing for today. So the first comment from Slem 2 also on a reply Aloy Jimako's post where she give an update on what happened today in the Zoo Injustice Court before talking about tomorrow. There are more funny comments. So, and 90% of comments there were lashing at Aloy Jimako, you understand? But you know, man, Aloy Jimako Korea some time ago, see that Nahamane will say everything, every day they'll be bringing updates. No. So I don't blame him much for actually not giving full details. So let's go to the second person who commented. The second person, Biafra Nation News, said, why are you not giving details, sir? So let's go again to the next person. Odo Joseph said, the current case is not giving us joy anymore. Why are they hiding the updates? So let's go ahead to King Erickson. Onyenka will say that now allowing MNK to stand trial before any court in Nigeria is the worst mistake you ever made. Aloy Jimako. And he's correct. So let's go again. Wampa Gabriel said, are there secret trial now implemented? Why were independent reports not allowed in the courtroom today? Normally TVC news and other news media and Nigeria capture everything that happened in court, and today own is very different. So let's proceed. Brighter lights logic. See why the media restrictions. Hope all is well. There was no update on the happening inside the court. Hope is not turning to a secret trial. Rising Sun. We see. Why are you posting now? Did you notify anyone when you were going to court today? Biafrans are observing. And there is Yoku, because I was actually in Aloy Jimako's Twitter handle for him to drop an update before the court sitting. No update at all. So if Onya could ever go see, Onya be chronic follower of Mazi Aloy Ejimako. So the next comment from Ugochukwu Mwankwo said, is there something this man called Aloy Ejimako is not telling us? So if I Chuku James will post so no live updates. Zoo will remain zoo. Alright. Ugochukwu Igwe will see hope is not what I am thinking. Now fugo na eko the minds of Biafrans name now. Biafrans they wezi fan out. Biafrans they wezi fan out. The way this court hearing is actually going. More bezoku that na Aloy Jimako will see that na Haman na drop every update from court, but we go a long way to keep Biafrans doubting the process of this trial. You understand? In as much that now Biafrans they against even the ongoing trial that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is undergoing. You understand? So if I what really transpired in court today, so can play with some other videos. Gonna watch here when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrived in court and some of the happenings in the court. Saying what much they made today. So just the continuation of the cross-examination. Defendant team, that's the legal team Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are actually interrogating those who came to testify. They were actually asking them some few questions, cross-examining them to get some facts. So I am a be in a court today. So all the chikaiga marozi my legacy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the recap, the preview, the updates for tomorrow's hearing. So I get when the Biafrans on your butu tomorrow. I get what are more details concerning the way the trial siaga and what Biafrans should expect next. So tomorrow, before tomorrow self, I will bring you guys more updates concerning this ongoing trial, concerning today's outcome, and concerning tomorrow's court sitting. So I will need this to my channel. Rush now to YouTube. Project Gallery 101. So right there, back I'm gonna drop here back to back on what is happening and what is going on around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's ongoing trial. So I can learn that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so if you after this video front to start the video after watching it, you drop your opinion in the comment section concerning the way things is here now. Are you okay with it or are you not okay with this? Let me know in the comment section and do well to share this video. Yagazini konyechi yazelu.
Okay, moving forward. Let us call a spade a spade. For me, or to my own understanding, please, my own opinion is personal to me, and your own opinion is personal to you. I think that all the whole Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, both SAN, SEO, Esquire, whatever they call them, all of them have been compromised. How can you tell me that today we're supposed to be the last phase of cross-examination of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? There is nothing to show for. That means this one is still linking to our all-round speculations that tomorrow, after tomorrow, then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case will be adjourned to the end of the year. I said it today in one of my videos. With what happened in High Court today, my brother, Nnamdi Kanu have no chance to stand any fair trial. The plans where they have today to bomb Okigwe, but because people like us stood our ground and said enough is enough, that what they are planning to do will never work. Coupled with the outcry of that Biafran army that he made public, my brother, today would have been a very, very dreadful day for the people of Imo State, for the people of Biafra, and for the people of Okigwe. So when that one did not carry out, look at what happened, the charade that happened in the court today. If that thing could have taken place, if not because of our outcry through the internet and social media, by now you would have been hearing that, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they're supposed to free him today, but because there's an incident in Okigwe carried out by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's men, or IPOB, or ESN, then that freedom will not be guaranteed to him again. You can imagine that. My brother, you see one thing about propaganda about from Nigerian government. Just be ahead of them. And once you are ahead of them, I swear to God, they will be paralyzed. They will be speechless because they don't even have the acumen to think on second option. Any good thinking or right thinking human being, when you are thinking about or planning anything, you must have first option, option A, and option B. In case if option A fails, then option B will be the way out. But they always have one option, propaganda. So once that option fails, my brother, my sister, nothing for them again. Then they will be paralyzed. That is what happened in the court today. They want today to be the last day of cross-examination based on what is going to happen in Okigwe or any round in Biafra land. But when we get the information about their plans, it was exposed. I exposed it on this my platform. A lot of people, rather, a lot of Biafrans expose it on their own platforms. When they do that, they become paralyzed. No option B. That is what warranted going to court today. There's no any tangible effort, nothing or whatsoever they do to make sure that there's something that people can hold and say, yes, this is what we achieved today. 6th, there was a very good development. 7, there was a very good development. 8, then they strike in Omonolo and Okigwe. On 14th, a very good development through the cross-examination of the so-called DSS witness. So after that good development on 14, on 21, which is today, they have already planned on what to do, how to carry it out. When that information leak, there's no second option. They couldn't do anything. Then today, when they went to the court, they become paralyzed. Nothing whatsoever happened. But I can tell you for free of charge, our lawyers or lawyers representing Nnamdi Kanu have been compromised. Don't take me for a ride. I have a point. I have where I'm going, and I can tell you for free of charge. When the time is right, you will hear everything in black and white. But notwithstanding, let us keep our arms crossed. Like this message, share it, comment on it, and keep subscribing for more interesting videos coming your way. I, Okulora, will always be here to serve you. I have nothing more to say, and I cannot read comments. Comment on this video, then we will take it off from there. Kiemesiano, my wonderful people.